One time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your...
This is the pound Aussie on the 15-minute time frame. Price came down towards the end of Asian session before creating a pattern formation. This is a W formation with a strong confirmation candle closing above the 50 EMA. Entry at the close of the 15-minute candle. Stop loss at the low, 40 pips. Take profit, 40 pips or higher. You can go for a 1-2 or even higher. I usually like to take a 1-1. This was an A+ setup that we had last week. I'll do a quick analysis as to why this was such a great setup. Looking at the daily time frame, you can see that price was ranging for a few days within this channel. Then we had a bullish engulfing candle outside of the range, showing that buyers were stepping in. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see the close above the range. Also, it broke and retested this higher time frame trend line, which we have multiple hits. Going down to the 15-minute time frame, we can see the break and retest of the trend line. We don't just trade M's and W's every time we see them. We use market structure, we use the EMAs, and for example, we looked at the news. There was no news coming out right before my entry. We also traded around the best times, which is the London and New York session when we have the most volatility, and we stood away from any key levels. We had a break and retest of the trend line, and we had a resistance level up here at the 1.8900, which gave us enough room to take our profits. So we had the EMA showing us we were in an uptrend, closed above the EMA. We had a directional move. The higher time frame was showing us bullish momentum. We didn't have any news. We were around the key levels. And I also looked at correlation. You want to trade a weak currency against a strong currency, or vice versa. We want the pound to be strong and then the Aussie to be weak. So I looked at the pound dollar. We were closing above the EMAs. We had an EMA cross and it was showing bullish momentum. Then if we look at the Aussie dollar, we have been trending down for a few days. EMAs were still crossed to the downside, showing us the Aussie was weak. We have the pound showing strength, and then we have the Aussie showing weakness. I also looked at the Euro Aussie at the same time that I took the pound Aussie. You can see that the EMAs are crossed to the upside. And I can also look at the Kiwi Aussie, NZD AUD. It's also in an uptrend. It's confirming that the AUD is very weak. So once again, the pound Aussie, GBPAUD is going up. Euro AUD is going up. And NZD AUD is going up as well during the time of my trade. This is 100% confirmation that we can take GBPAUD long. But this is how we are able to catch these high probability trades. You just get in, take your profits and get out. You have multiple confirmations. These are the type of setups that can make you a consistent, profitable trader in a very short amount of time. I'm just here to just show you how easy these setups have been for me. I've been trading these for years, and you can see that with the amount of confirmations that we get, this is why we get the high probability trades. You can take this one trade, then wait another week or two and take another trade. Trade it with large lot sizes. We're not guessing, we're not gambling. You can easily go 10, 20, 30 lots on this trade and have a high probability of winning. Always trade based on your account size. I don't recommend to over leverage your account. Just trade based off your account size, but you can see you can build a small account. You can trade it and build it up, and you can eventually trade better, trade bigger. It's all about following a consistent process that produces these consistent results. And you could trade a 1 lot or a 50 lot. It's still the same exact process. From the analysis to the profit target to the stop loss, it's still the same process no matter what lot sizes you're using. And if you're just starting out and still losing trades, it's okay. You will lose trades, I can guarantee that. But over time, you'll start doing the right things. You'll become more disciplined. You'll journal, review, do more of what works and less of what doesn't until you get better. It gets easier. I keep stressing it in every video. Just be disciplined. This one trade could be more than enough for you. But that's all that I have for today. I just wanted to make an analysis on this great setup that we had. Just give you more content, provide more examples. I'll probably make a video with just back testing. I'll look for more setups. I'll analyze them, show you how we take them, what you can do to prevent losses. But just backtest it, try it out for yourself. Send us a message, let us know how it's working out for you. If you like the video, just please like, subscribe, let us know what else you would like us to make, and see you on the next one.
Learn the proper way of trading here at FX220, the only evergreen strategy in the Forex industry with years of documented results.